Hello everyone, how are you? This is Kay. Today is the 21st of December 2023 and this is on Thursday. So now let me start the live stream and see what's happening among the markets. Today I will be doing the analysis among the markets. So yeah, let me start now. Okay, so first let me switch screen. Okay, and start to say hi to everyone. Good to see you. Okay. All right. So yeah, I just had early dinner tonight. This is 6 p.m. in Dubai time now, but I just took early dinner and just came here. So recently, I try not to eat after 9 p.m. Usually, it's been like the routine of myself, but especially recently, I try not to eat, anything too late at night, because if I do, the next day I feel dull, and next day may not be so productive. So I think eating less at nighttime really is helping you to really focus what you're gonna do tomorrow or next day. So that's something I'm doing right now, and yeah, I recommend everyone to do that at the same time. So okay, let's see now. Let me say hi to everyone. Okay, hello Gian, good to see you. Thanks for joining. Oh, regarding email, I'm sorry. Let me respond as soon as possible. I had some guests coming to Dubai, so I was a bit busy. But yeah, I do check emails, and I will be responding to the emails. So please look forward to it. Okay, Derek, thanks for joining. Good to see you. Okay, and Teddy, good to see you too. Thanks for joining. All right, Michael, good to see you. Thanks for joining, and thanks for the comments. It says it's nice to hear again the world of wisdom that leads more wins. Yeah, thank you very much. So my intention of doing this YouTube is to help you become a non-losing trader. So becoming a non-losing trader is the first step, the very first step to be a profitable trader. So that's what I share, and I use Ichimoku Kinko Hyo as one of my main strategies. So that's what I'm sharing in this YouTube. Okay, hello Marius, good to see you. And Povilas, thanks for joining. And Vic, good to see you too. Thanks for joining. And Robert, good to see you too. Great to see you. So are there any interesting markets today to watch or check? Or are you in one of these markets to trade right now? Please let me know. Okay, Joseph says, hi Kay, USD franc seems to be moving down today. Do you think it's a good idea to short near the weekly support? Okay, so let me now check the USD franc to start with. Okay, so so here is the USD franc, and this is a daily time frame. And right, this is nicely bearish. Now I see the Kumo is down, Kumo Senko span B is down, Senko span A is down, and Kijun Sen Tenkan Sen both bearish, and the Chikou span below candles. Right, so this is continuously bearish trend. So this is on the weekly, near the weekly support, right? So the market is near the support level of 0.8553. So in this case, whenever I see this previous support level, I also check the bigger picture. So I check the weekly time frame, and I zoom out on the weekly time frame and make sure that there is no previous weekly support or not. So if I zoom out all the way, then there were some weak breakout, but before that there seems to be no other supports. So now looks like this was the only support there was on the weekly time frame. And then I also come back to the daily time frame. And in terms of the daily time frame, I can see that there are two touches, 1 and 2 touches. So when Kumo thick like this and going down, Kijun-sen, Tenkan-sen are going down too, and Chikou span below candles, I think the market breaks the support and goes bearish continuously. So this is the situation where I still look for selling opportunity before the breakout. But if the Kumo is too thin, or if the Kumo is too small, then if the market is near the support, then I don't trade, because most likely it retraces. It will be supported and goes bullish, most likely. So again, in this case, I expect the market breaks Kumo bearish. The market breaks the support level bearish. So I think sell will be the right call. In this case, I never buy. As a trend follower, I only follow the major direction by Ichimoku. So sell will be the right calls for this one. Okay, so then, yeah, let's see. So I think this market is now bearish continuously also because when I see this price action, the market has been in consecutive bearish in waves. So looks like, yeah, it's going down and breaks the support. So if you sell near the support level, then you really have to be good at the risk management. Because if you sell now, and if the price breaks the support, then that will be a nice profit. The risk-reward ratio will be great to sell before the breakout of the support. But at the same time, if the market will be supported and goes bullish, you really have to know when to exit the trade. And you don't want to run the losses in a long time, or you don't want to lose big in this near the support by selling it. So you have to be very good at the risk management. So if you are not really winning the trades, or if you're still learning the trades, then I recommend you to wait for the breakout of the support, which is again 0.8553 and sell. Yeah. Or wait for the breakout and sell, or pull back and sell. So either way, I think it's better to wait for the breakout for if you are not winning, or if you keep losing the trades. So that's my recommendation. Yeah, so I always check the bigger picture on the market. Always check the weekly time frame and down to the daily and the lower time frames. Yeah, so that's my comment on this USD Swiss franc. And it looks like the Swiss franc pair is be active. So now Robert says also pound Swiss franc. So let me check that one. Pound Swiss franc. Pound Swiss franc is now, this week is bearish, but overall weekly is now range. The price was within the Kumo, and now it broke the Kumo bearish. Right. In terms of the daily time frame, the price is now below Kumo, and Tenkan-sen, Kijun-sen are down, and also Chikou span below the candles, but the Kumo is not twisted yet. So you better wait for the Kumo twist to be bearish, and I think that will be the best timing to sell. So there was a support level breakout a couple of days ago, which was 1.096861. And if the market goes bearish, then I think at least it goes down to the support level 1.0782. Yeah, so let's see. Yeah, so I think that's my analysis. So wait for the Kumo twist is my advice on pound Swiss franc. Yeah, and also, okay, let me check also USD Swiss franc. USD Swiss franc again is bearish, so I think it's good. About to break the support level. So as I said, yeah, I think it breaks the support tomorrow or next week. Okay, so now let me check some other Swiss franc pairs. So first, Euro Swiss franc on the daily. Yeah, this market is also about to break the support level of 0.9414. So this could be a good market to sell. Yeah, and target is really great, I think. The target, this is actually, if I just put the weekly time frame also, this seems to be all-time low now. The Euro Swiss franc is now all-time low. So if it breaks, the next targets are the next run numbers. So this is, the support level is 0.9414. So if it breaks, it can go down to 0.93. And then 0.92, 0.91, and so on. So yeah, for now, let me just put 0.93 and see if the market reaches there after the breakout. And in terms of the weekly, the Kumo is really thick. Senko span A is pointing down, Senko span B flat, but Kijun Sen is gradually going down and Chikou span below candles. So this is a nicely downtrending market that we can follow too. So yeah, I think the market breaks the support level too. So Euro Swiss franc looks good too. It has been resisted by the descending trend line, and it broke once here, but then the market came back below the trend line. So yeah, this is now bearish trend. Yeah, so let's see. That's Euro Swiss franc. And also, so we have already checked the pound Swiss franc and USD Swiss franc. So let me now check AUD Swiss franc. AUD Swiss franc is no move right now. Simply, the market is ranging, so no trend, no trace. And CAD Swiss franc is about to break the support too, so we'll see. Yeah, the support level is really close on this one, so it may break bearish anytime soon. Let me check the daily time frame. So daily time frame is now, oh, okay, so it may not break the support because what I see here is that the Kumo has been bearish and thick. This means that this is, downtrend is really strong and stable in the long term. And at the same time, the market consolidates, and now there was a Tenkan-sen, Kijun-sen gold cross. Tenkan Kijun-sen gold cross. Then Chikou span is also very close. In this case, I don't think the market breaks support and goes bearish. So not CAD Swiss franc to trade. And finally, Swiss franc JPY. Yeah, this market is also range, and there's not much of movements right now, so we cannot really see what's going. Yeah, in this case, in this ranging market, the Kijun Sen, the green Kijun Sen becomes the mid price. So every time the market breaks Kijun Sen and goes down, then it comes back to Kijun Sen. Every time the market takes off bullish, then it tends to go back Kijun Sen. like this. And when the market touches Kijun Sen, then this is kind of like a comfort zone for them, for the market. So they range, goes up and down through the Kijun Sen. And the market may be away from the Kijun Sen, but then soon it will be attracted like this. So that's the Swiss franc JPY from Kijun Sen viewpoint. But with that in mind, if you look at the market now, then for the last 2 days, there were bearish bars. And I'm sure when the market breaks the Kumo Senko Span B, it goes bearish furthermore. However, what I'm looking at here is not the Kumo breakout. Mainly, I'm looking at this inside bar breakout. Yeah, so if the market breaks this inside bar bearish, I think that would be a nice downtrend. It may break the trend line too. But if it breaks bullish, then the market turns bullish and it may reach that resistance level of 170.51. So either way, I think we better wait for the breakout of the inside bar in this case. So that's my analysis among the Swiss franc pairs on my watch list. Okay, so now let me check some comments. And today my live stream will be short. Maybe I will be finishing in about 10 to 15 minutes. But I hope you will enjoy until the end today. Okay, hello YB, thanks for joining. Good to see you. All right, Wen. Oh, thank you very much for the comment. I wish you learned a lot of techniques, knowledges in my KTS Academy. Thank you very much. Okay, Adoan, thank you very much for your comment also. He says, could you say when you use the Kihon Suchi in trading? Kihon Suchi is, appearing on any markets on a daily time frames. So even this one, Swiss franc JPY, you could draw the Kihon Suchi or the time cycles by taking the swing highs and swing lows, and you look for the patterns in the market. And the candlesticks in between the highs or between the lows are called time cycle, or basically time theory. But when I use Kihon Suchi is when the market respects Kihon Suchi. So let's say from this swing high on the 20th October and the next swing high becomes 16th of November. If the candlestick between these two dates are close to Kihon Suchi, then I use the Kihon Suchi. But it may not be with the Kihon Suchi. It may be with any numbers. In that case, I have to observe whether this pattern repeats over time. So that's how I use the time cycles in my trades. So let me just count number of candles between the highs on this one. Between the highs, there were 21 bars. Okay, 21 is not the Kihon Suchis. Kihon Suchi are 17 and 26. So 21 is not the Kihon Suchi. So in this case, I think it will be 20. 20 will be not the Kihon Suchi. So I would, let's say, if the market repeats 20 bars in the future as cycle or not. So that's how I use the time cycles, but then also the Kihon Suchi too. Okay, Wayne says, just got stopped out by a big candle and the market went in my direction. What causes these big candles? Those big candles can be caused by the fundamentals or any sort of news, basically. Any sort of news, the market will be affected. So if you want to know the real-time market news, then there is link in my KTS Academy member and also GTS class, and or you can simply Google search like the latest news in Forex. Then you may be able to find out. Yeah, these big spikes of big news may not be one of these fundamentals. Most likely it's not from these fundamentals. So yeah, in that case you can check the latest news website and see what happened and what news exactly affected the market. All right, hello Kevin, thanks for joining, good to see you. Okay. Hello Cole, thanks for joining. There was a news from US half hour ago. I guess he got the big move from USD. Okay, so let me check. Today is the 21st. So let me put calendar this week. And click apply and scroll down. And I'm sure I can see the news. So, right, there was a news at 1:30 p.m. in UTC time zone. And right, that was about 2 hours ago. And the result of the news was negative. Previous was 5.2%. Consensus was also 5.2%, but the actual number was 4.9, which is worse than previous and worse than consensus. So in this case, in general, this market USD will be sold. And the other currencies are correlated, so basically just because USD market is having a news, you don't think that you can trade the other markets. This could be affecting pound JPY or AUD JPY, AUD Swiss franc, or Euro pound, right? Any of these big news can affect the market directly and indirectly. In fact, if you look at the strength chart now, so this is where the news happened, over here on the orange, where it says going down, and orange is the USD. So orange is the USD over here. So at the news, you can tell that the USD was sold. First of all, USD was sold at the news. And then let's check other currencies. What about Euro? Euro also went down. Sorry, let me refresh. It's kind of overlapping. So yeah, USD and Euro. USD went down at the news. Then Euro also went down. So that was the correlation at that particular news. We can tell that from the strength chart. Then I have added JPY. JPY is usually negative correlation to the USD. So when USD is sold, then JPY goes up. Yeah, so that's also the reason why USD JPY is really weak today, just right now. And then also you can add pound. Pound is more like sideways. When the news exactly happened, the pound did not really react by that. So yeah, pound would be still safe to trade. It was safe to trade at the news. And AUD was bought slightly because usually it's negative correlation to the USD. So AUD went up at the news. And then Swiss franc was in the sideways when the news happened. And then it dropped. So Swiss franc did not react as soon as the news happened. It reacted like a few minutes after the news. Then this market itself was sold. And then CAD, the purple CAD, when the news in the USD happened, then this CAD was also sold. So yeah, basically this is how you can check this strength chart at the news. And this is something I always do every time. So I highly recommend you to do that too. Like the strength is really, this is relative strength among the currencies. So when one pair, when one market, one currency moves, then the other one also moves. It could be the same direction, it could be the opposite direction. And we never know until the news happens. So that's something that we can tell from the strength chart. Okay, hello Reza, thanks for joining, good to see you. What about pound Swiss franc in a 4-hour time frame? Let's see, pound Swiss franc 4-hour time frame. Yeah, this is still bearish, right? It's bearish. Kumo's down. Sorry, Kumo is down. Kijun Sen flat, but I think Kijun Sen will be down as soon as it breaks the support. So technically it's still bearish, and Chikou span below candles. And there was also a nice previous support becoming resistance. So this is continuously bearish to me. So that's pound Swiss franc 4-hour time frame. Hello Forrest, he says, hello Kay, have you ever traded stock markets? If not, why? Stock traders say that trading Forex currencies are more complicated. Yes, I have been trading Forex for the last 10 years full time. So for me, Forex is simple. Stocks are more complicated for me. And the reason why I'm not still trading Forex, trading stock market is that so first I don't have experience, and I have to study how the stock markets behave. And also I'm simply waiting for the good trend to happen. But I will start to trade stock market soon. Okay, what about the gold? Gold is now range. Gold I trade. And gold I think is now range today. Okay, Theory says, may I have your opinion about Euro USD? Sure. Okay, here is a daily time frame. Okay, Euro USD is now about to break the resistance. It's about to break that resistance level of 1.1017 or 18. Now I can see it's bullish. Okay, let's see. Marbozu says, hi Kay, we have been waiting for 4 years for the year of rate cut, inflation back normal, and a new president. 10 more days for 2024, excited. Yep, that's true. Let's see, the markets may be rough next year, so we better keep our eye on the market and the news. Yeah, hello Binshu, good to see you. And Y says, do you trade when Ichimoku is showing you a trend but currency strength is sideways? Yes, well, depends. When currency strength starts in the sideways, that means there is no volatility on that pair. So I have to be careful whether I take trades or not based on Ichimoku trends. Okay. Right, USDJPY. So yeah, could be due to fundamentals, I guess. Yeah, there was a big news today. Hello James, good to see you. Thanks for joining. All right. Orania says silver monthly chart, bullish or not? Let's see. Silver is yeah, this is range in terms of Ichimoku. The Kumo is really thin and small. So this means that the market may retrace anytime. So yeah, silver to me is not tradable right now. Yeah, so I think these are the market analysis that I wanted to share today. So yeah, I think I will be finishing the live for now. And yeah, today I think I will take a good rest. Probably I won't be going out. I simply take a good rest and relax, and yeah, get ready for my new day tomorrow. So yeah, again, thank you very much for those who joined my today's live stream, and I hope you're having a great day today, and I hope to see you again soon. So until I see you next time, please stay healthy, stay safe, and stay gold. All right, bye for now, everyone. Mata ne. Thank you very much.